Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here, Vijaya, and today we're back here with Beanie, and today we have the Unhelpful Dad Beanie 2024, and I'm super excited for this. Some of you actually recommended this in my other Beanie reaction, and it is by I'm Gonna Be Aster. Guys, I'll be giving the link to the original video so you can go check them out, and yeah, let's like it and support them. And I'm super excited to get them, and they're like 8 members, right? And this is gonna be my first ever Philippines group that I am actually getting into. So I'm super excited, and yeah, let's get into them. Oh, it's okay. Okay. You know what? I guess I need to grab a book and pen and write it down because I really want to get to know them. And I'm really bad with names. Like I just forget every now and then. So I just give me a second, a minute, a second, whatever. Yeah, let's go. So first we have Aya. This is really difficult for me because I'm very bad with pronouncing the names, and her full name is Maria Queen Arceta. Wow, that actually is cool. Okay, and she's the eldest, 2001. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, Emoji is a puppy. She's so pretty. Love the song. Oh my god, I'm gonna get spoilers. Is it okay?
Hard to deal with every single minute, get your word and thinking. Don't know what to do, you ain't got a clue, cause future's uncertain, you gotta get through. Days are tough, but so are you. Whatever's gonna happen, you can face it with no problem. Believe in yourself, hey, you do you. Every day is a test, remember you're blessed.
Studies at Indian College. She's a Dean Disneywood Scholarship. Wow. Sometimes wait. That's so that's so good. I love seeing people with these type of personalities. That's just so good. Her voice and her words.
Narinig niyo po kami po?
Oh my god, she's so beautiful. Come on.
Narinig niyo po kami po?
This 11/11, you believe it or not, but just because
Yeah, guys, even I do that. I actually make a wish, and yeah.
and I hope you manifest it tomorrow, not tomorrow, as soon as possible.
Ako daw mabait sabihin niya. So ano si Aya? Parang si Mama Mary na ata.
Si Aya, gusto ko malaman ng lahat ng books na kung ano yung tingin nyo kay Aya, ganun talaga siya in person. Kung meron mang Mama Mary na club, siya yun. Si Aya, parang kahit minsan, Ate Aika, mali na dala kong books, never na magagalit sa kanya kasi kahit na
Oh, that's so sweet.
It sounds cliche, but to keep going because it's a choice. For me, I think it's a choice, and that connects to your whys, and that's what I would always say. Whenever I want to keep going, I connect it with my whys. Why should I keep going? What's the reason? Why? And why am I here? It's all for
Such
that.
a good speaker.
Thank you.
Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby.
The raw vocals. Okay.
Nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby.
May nagsabi, bading po ako. Um, girl sing.
Oh my god, it's just. Oh my god.
Ako.
Love her.
Girl sing.
Grabe yun siya kalabing pa. That's alright.
The nation's first love. I can see that. I can totally see that.
On a post-it and I post it on your front door. Show up in suit and tie with the brooch and with the roses on your front yard. Oh, boy. Yeah. Grab somebody sexy, tell them, hey, give me everything tonight.
So pretty, bro. My god.
Give me everything
She got the looks of both, like, she got the looks where she can pull both boys and girls. You know?
Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight.
A cutie, a former, a Bisaya girl. I don't know the second two. Of course, I know the first one.
Thankful ko kay nakaibaw ko pag kaibaw na ako sa group nga napoy Bisaya.
I was thankful when I learned this and understand. What is Bisaya?
Si Colette. Bagay. Yes. Na ako'y mapangutan-an. Unsay pasabutan ni. Unsay Tagalog. Ani. Until now si Colette gyapon akong kuan nga. Colette Tagalog ni Bisaya. Libog ko ba? Libog ko ba?
What's his love language? Oh, so is the fandom name called Bloom? Wow, Bloom. Is it? If it is, that's so cute and thoughtful, I feel. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I got this new damn for y'all called the Soldier Boy. You gotta punch then crank back 3 times from left to right.
Brushes extra, and I love it.
Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that why me crank that Soldier, 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 that why Soldier Boy, I been it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that why me crank that Soldier.
나를 보며 마주는 달콤한
He's so cute.
그대의 입술과
Ling with her mommy. So is it her pet? That's oh my god. I don't know what's happening. Okay.
If I was a bluebird, I would fly to it. Give me the spoon if you and honey, so I could be sticking to the daylight. You got me catching the daylight.
Finally, Maria Nicolette Vergara. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for pronouncing it so bad. Then we have her station, which is Colette, right? And she was born on September 14, 2001. And her representative emoji is a fox. And she's run by the post line single. What is that? So actually, maybe there are like 3 main singers, and she's one of them. Is it like that? Don't know.
Know you got a little Candy Crush. Be careful 'cause you never get enough. And saw me through it all. All my life when I was weak, you were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes
Love her voice.
when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me. Look at the lyrics. When I couldn't reach, you gave me back 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. Sa iyong ngiti.
A songwriter and a composer, also known as Anger. That would be me. I mean, I'm talking only about this thing. I don't know if that means anything else, but if it means what it is written over here, then that's me. And a songwriter and composer, okay, good.
Know from my heart, right from the start, you did very well. Just be gentle to yourself. I know it's hard, but you gotta try. Don't be shy, I got your back when you wanna cry. Don't give up on you, I'm so proud of you.
These lyrics are so beautiful. Like I needed this.
You did well.
Thank you.
Kahit lahat ng tao, tinatang pagkatalo, ipapakitang matatag.
And lyrics are so like speaking or shouting to believe in yourself and love yourself, you know, and I love it.
Parin tayo, laging pinaghahawakan, lahat ng dinaanan at ang pangako, walo hanggang dulo. Ito ang pangako, walang katulad. Magkayaman tungo sa ating pangarap. Mga tao mahirap, sigaw ng tagumpay.
Ipipilit pa nang hindi ko nga alam yung
Wait, why? Why do you force it when I said I don't know?
tono. Is, masakit ulo ko ah. Bantay karon. Hindi ko nga masabi sa taong yun, tapos sasabihin ko pa sa inyo. Isip ka ba? Hindi ko nga masabi sa taong yun, tapos sasabihin ko pa sa inyo. Isip ka ba? Gas. Okay, ikaw na perfect. Sorry, maganda lang ako, hindi ako perfect. Pasensya na.
Naghugas!
Oh my god, she's sassy.
Saan ka naghugas?
Love it.
Asan ko? Inisod ko yung salamin! Kaya ko nga binagyan ng salamin niya kasi barado!
Biskit na bangsoy! Palayo kami sa
Okay, now I understood what you meant by anger. I understand.
Twitter. Ang dami namang suggestion ng mga birthday nyo ba? Naman ay, buang ka. Ganun ka. Full charge na po yung aircon nyo.
The only person I would allow into school.
Ay, buang ka. Ganun ka. Full charge na po yung aircon nyo. Share mo lang. Katawa ba yun? Hindi, diba? Nice try. Concert, please. Guys, ba yun? Na po yung aircon nyo. Ay, buang ka. Ganun ka. Full charge na po yung aircon nyo. Share mo lang. Katawa ba yun? Hindi, diba? Nice try. Concert, please. Guys, huminga muna tayo, guys. December pa lang, bye. Patapusin muna natin.
I love her. I love her, bro.
Concert, please. Guys, huminga muna tayo, guys. December pa lang ba?
She's such a vibe.
Patapusin muna natin yung taon, no? Okay lang ba? Yun pa rin. Ikaw kaya gumawa ng song.
Yes, she spoke right. Give them break, okay, guys. Give them break. As I don't know them. Yeah, Meloy. Oh my god, I don't want to spell their full names. Like even the stage names are so I'm very bad with those. Malloy, and she's like May 27, 2002. Okay, she's like 2 years elder than me. Okay, and she is two of two of three post line main singer. So I think that's what it is. So she is the main singer and all the three. Like she's you get me right. It's Panda.
Ang loading misteryoso Di pa rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo Cherry on top, cherry on top You're a beat, you buzz around me Ticket, see everything Huwag muna tayo umuwi Mundo'y tahimik Sa iyong tabi
She's another way, which is overacting and romantic. Love it. Also good at writing lyrics. Okay, Nation's girlfriend. Oh, okay.
Kaya salamat sa pagiging OA all the way. And this first ever National Happy Meeting Day. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, love
Thank you
her.
so much. Thank you so much. Mwah. Ang OA! Ang baka-OA na ni ano ba to? Nag-arabang!
Ang kampana'y tuluyan
Her body's goals, bro.
gising upang tayong lahat ay manalangin ang
She's surely extra. She is extra for sure.
bendisyon kapag nakanta na.
Gutom yan, te. Uy, ang bargas naman. Oh, pagka-bargas naman.
It looks so good with that bang. Oh my
Bargas naman,
god.
oh. Pagka-bargas naman.
Buhay ang mga Batanghenya!
Oh my god.
Buhay ang mga Batanghenya! It's bleeding so hard! Mr. W. Ano?
Papalabasin ko tayo.
Hi, Kuya. Kamusta po?
She must be an E. She looks so done with her. Oh my god. What is that? What is that? It's not. Oh my god. The ocean of the song. Okay.
Gusto mo pang bumalik
Love the voice.
Paano mo nagawa Ang puso kong durugin Dapat na tayong tuwing gabi lalayong.
Sorry guys.
Umihigpi, di na kayang makatabi. Uuwi na, di na ako. Di na sa'yo. Bigo mo ako. Dapat na tayong umuwi.
That's so
And good luck
beautiful.
sa'yo, baby. Hitting up cause what you want me. So I entertain them boys, say I'm lonely. But I figured
I'm sorry, my sister just came in.
I need real, I hate empty. On a real thing, not some dumb thing.
It's so pretty.
We should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love more. It might not be. Isabaw mo sa kanin ang ihi ng kambing.
What? Okay. Anyways, let's continue. And then we have Gwen. Gwen is, oh my god, please guys, please help me in the comment section to pronounce their names. I'm so bad with this. And she is June 19, 2003. Okay. Let's go.
Ang mundo ay nagbago na simula nung makilala ka. Yeah. Cherry, cherry, also berry, rainbow, cotton candy, glitzy, glamour, chip and drama, I'm just so fancy. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di ka
Nonchalant. Okay, always be soft to Gwenny. Okay. Cute. The way she dances. You can't believe she's flat. Oh my god! Oh, what happened to me? You can't believe she's flat. Super for puppy line. Handsome line. Okay, I get it.
Oh, don't break her heart, okay? Because Gwen is very fragile.
Oh.
Oh, don't break her heart, okay? Because Gwen is very fragile.
She's so cute. Guys, don't break her heart. She is fragile, okay? Not her, just everyone of them. Oh my god, you look so cute! Stop! She's me, I'm her. Yeah.
Kakatukin magbaka sakaling bumalik ka hindi ko nabubuksan. Kapalit na bigay mo sakit yung sakit na ibabalik ko ako dulot niyan. Nung umalis ka parang gusto ko magmawa. Gusto kitang sundan kaso parang kung iba na yung kasama. Sugat sa puso yung tama. Di na ko nangihinayang. Buti na lang umalis ka. Kung hindi
Okay, girl. My face was so funny the whole time. What was that? Who said inside? Wait, I'm sorry. I want to see the person inside. It's like I've seen something. Oh my god, I want to see who is that inside. She's I can't speak. She's such a good dancer. Oh my god. She got swag, you know.
If you're not coming on tonight, if you wanna stay with me and we can both call it the night. Tahimik ang paligid, pwede tayo ang magingay. Liwanag ang sasalubong sa katawang nakahingay. Lagi ka nagkaganyan, ayoko naman na ikaw ay masaktan. Ramdam ko ang pakiramdam na nagigirapan. Kaya naman ayoko lang iparamdam sa iyo. Malapit na ako, konting oras na lang ay magsasama na tayo. Malapit na ako.
Okay, next we have Stacy. Okay, the name that I could pronounce. Thank you. Stacy, also known as Taku. Okay. She is July 13th, 2003, the nation's princess. Okay, the nation's princess. We got a nation's princess. Let's go.
My presence is a present. Talking French, I'll keep you guessing. Bakit pa ba sikot-sikot para po pinapaikot-ikot talaga mag-isa na ba talaga ang next move mo?
The fact that all of them can rap and sing. Let's go. Oh, very girly, very feminine person. Cool. Always bad. Okay, I'm not gonna try to spell that. Always fights with Joe. It's just teasing, nothing serious. I understand, okay? You don't have to, like, people don't need to take everything serious. I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about, like, in real, okay? I'm just telling in a very good way. Don't take me wrong. So we see idols, like idols with each other fighting, right? It's a very funny fight, okay? But people, like, not everyone, but few toxic people who call them as fans, but probably are not, are only like one stan fans, who only stand a person in the group. They tend to make it as a very big thing, but it's nothing serious. It's like just like see, we have friends. Uh, Only just being with them for few months or years, we joke around, right? And them training together for years and then debuting and being at the same place every day. Of course, they're gonna tease each other and have the thing. And people are so dumb that they can't understand that. We like, oh my god, that person's really teasing and very bad. We like, chill, guys, chill.
The girl who loves pink. The girl na very kikay. The girl who loves pixie dust, unicorn, Barbie, Bratz, everything kami kaya. And sa mga nagsabi noon na kikay ako, wala akong pararating sa buhay mo, look at me now.
Yes, girl.
Sige, pagbugno mo. Parang si Stacy at si Joanna ba, gaganon-ganon ba?
Ito po yung live batid muna ng Jose in LA po.
Love it. I don't know why, before reacting to them, I thought they would be normal, but nah, they're not. Surely not. Surely
Dito
not.
ka matutulog.
Why is he showing the zombie?
Oo, dito ka matutulog kasi ayaw mo na ako sa kwarto. Pinapahinaan ko nga yung aircon.
Parang kung nag-o-opera. Ano? Nagpapakit ka kasi hingi ka lang ng kopi. Papakit. Parang hindi mo.
Dahil sa huevo.
Magtinginan tayo ng bilat mo na.
Hoy! May kumo ako.
Para sa inyo to, Bini. Tan! Bini PH!
TikTok.
Oh my god. For some reason, she's taking out all my energy.
Na may mahal ka ng iba. Aminin mo! Aminin mo! Stop the car, kuya! I said stop the car! Oh my God! What is happening in this world?
Ang klase mong bagong rebanda. Pagkatapos ng Christmas party, bagong rebanda siya. Tapos kapag New Year's, yung, sir, what?
Ang fresh mo. Oh my God! No, I woke up like this. When I woke up, and then I saw myself in the mirror. Oh, why am I looking like this?
Oh my god, the content queen. Love, love.
And then I saw myself.
I just love a human.
Oh, why am I looking like this? I'm so shitty now. Yan, guys!
Coconut nut is not a nut kasi kumukuti-kutitap ang mundo na kung saan maraming tao na namumuno dito sa mundong ito. Sa lugar nating mga Tomasha at mga Tigers, marami tayong kailangang panindigan.
Sira. Amuyin mo muna yung paa. Ikaw kayo ang amoy. Alam mo kung saan tumatapak, papaamoy mo yung paa.
I don't like tinola.
Is Stacey gonna be my favorite? I don't know.
I don't like tinola.
Oh, this is my rant! Stop reacting!
Anong delicacies na po? Ewan ko, ako ba si Ate Colette? Tanong niyo siya.
Happy National First ever. Oh my God! What is happening in this world?
Out of gratitude, not out of obligation, but out of gratitude, no? MQ, pairam naman ng jacket, kiniginawa.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, next we have Mika. Anything. And she is November 8, 2003, the Silent Angel. Is she gonna be the one who is, the eye? Yeah.
Yeah, huwag ka nang maniwala sa paniniwala na dapat mong ipagunahan sa karera. Kung wala namang karera, dahan-dahan, tahan lang, kakayanin, umpisa ka lang.
I can actually recognize her voice so easily because she has such a distinct voice. Yeah, it's deep. I don't know how to actually say it, how her voice is, but I can actually tell that she's the one who's singing it.
Do this all my life. Cinnamon swirl, I twirl. Not your average girl. Got
able and speak in English, loves being girls so much but doesn't really show it. 3 or 4 popular and handsome. Like, okay, I understand this thing. Actually, if someone doesn't show the affection, doesn't mean that they don't love you. And she's someone like that who actually doesn't know to show the affection, but we all know that she loves her girls.
Maraming salamat taga-bigay ng regalo.
Tagalog. Oh my God.
2, 3, salamat po. Yakap. Yakap. Anya. Baala.
She is chat. What I'm gonna say. She's struggling, bro. She's what is it, Anya?
Ulitin, ha? Sasakalin ko kayo next time.
Okay, it was a challenge.
Sasakalin ko
That's such a cute, pretty way to say I'll choke you. Yeah.
kayo next time. Sasakalin ko kayo sa susunod. Oh my God! Sabi ko, oh my God! Patayin niyo na lang ako, saksakin niyo na lang ako tonight.
Kasi si Mix, yun nga, parang tahimik lang siya, pero parang silent angel. Ganun siya sa akin. Yung parang...
She reminds me of Suga. I'm sorry for like comparing.
Hindi mo
But
naman
you know what I
malayan,
said.
pag lalabas ka, bubuksan niya yung pinto. Alam yung ganun,
Pero, actually, nung sinabi mong Mika, medyo nalilito din ako kung asan siya.
Well, baka balance kayo.
Isusumbong kita. Last na yun. Nagalit si Mika.
Mika's really the person na she's and I agree with Joanna. She's a silent angel. Why silent angel? Kasi parang literal silent pero she's there helping you. And then ang daming buses actually. And Mika is always the person who checks up on me.
I love those type of people. I'm not telling that those who show it so much on screen aren't like the good people, but who do it without actually making it seem like a big thing is actually so beautiful, you know?
Umayan pa ako 4:30 hindi na kita aantayin. Pag mga 4 o'clock na, uwi na ako kasi mag-live pa ako. Si anong service? Gawin na natin yung group. Ako na ako pa rin.
Meanwhile,
Thanks for waiting for me. Whatever.
Which Beanie member would be the most matampuhin member of the group?
Stacy!
Wala talaga akong paki sa kanila.
Hindi!
Oh wow, she plays. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute.
Okay lang, wala na tayo.
Ang gwapo.
Yeah, she is handsome.
Like a rodeo, right like a rodeo, baby.
The control she has over her body while dancing is insane.
Right like a rodeo, baby. I wanna feel your body on top of mine. Right now, please don't waste no time, baby. Like a honey, get your hands in your present when you're out. Like a rodeo.
Okay, then we have Joanna. What? I can't spell these names. Okay, anyways. She is younger than me. I'm Jan 10th, guys, and she's 26th. And she is. Oh, she is the last post-lightning single. Let's go. The leader, but also the baby. Okay, she's a leader. Okay, leader. Also the baby. Always the not the target of teasing. Okay, and the fofo puppy line is like hands on line. Okay, and she's the one who gets teased.
Try muna natin yung tono ng game. 5, 6, 7, go. Shopping! Okay. Try natin with cut. 5, 6, 7, go. Shopping!
Pag work yan si Ate Jo. Minsan nga, nababa na siya sa amin ko pag example, work ka namin, shoot kami or something, tapos sobrang seryoso niya. Tapos mag-comment kami sa ko, wow, very leader naman, serious naman. Hindi siya natutuwa pag mga ganong moments namin na-realize, okay, stop na, Stako, it's not the time. It's not the time to joke around, she's serious.
Ako na driver, saan mo hinahanap? Lalabas ba yung sa bituka ko? May number sa GC ah. Nandyan na nga rin, sabi ni Ate Man kanina pa. Pito yung cellphone ko ay yung gumawa.
Huwag mo kung naambon lang. Parang pinakilala na kami, bigla lumakas yung ulan. Talagang bumubuhos na siya. Tapos syempre nakatingin kami lahat kay Ate Jo. Kasi si Ate Jo talaga hindi talaga pwede maambunan yung ulo kasi sakitin mo.
What's wrong, Cassie? Madumi ba? Bakit hindi mo ipalinis sa janitor friend mo?
What is this? What is this? Did they do a drama or something? What is it?
Eh di ba? Close kayo nun. Hindi na. Kaya ko namang linisin to eh.
Loud action. This is so not serious.
kumakain pa ako, di ba? Mamaya, inom mo tubig pagtapos. Gusto nyo sabay-sabay kayo ng tubig ako kumakain, ganun. Nag-chat na nanay ko. Kasi kayo eh. Dahil sa inyo kasalanan nito, pinagalitan pa ako. Kasalanan nyo to. Hindi ko to! Grabe naman trustcation nyo! Grabe namang trustcation. Tubig yan! Oh! Ala, wala na pala naman. Meron pa!
Uy, magawan niya! Ala!
What is 8? I actually want to see. Is it? This is so noisy. Okay, now we have Sheena. She is May 9, 2004. Oh, she and my mom have same birthdays. The only thing is the difference in the year. She's younger than me. As I said, I'm Jan 10th. Why this is the main dancer? Oh my god, I actually did see her like maybe I did say that she really has a very good dancing thing in my Karira's dance practice video reaction. Yeah. Oh, she's the youngest? Okay. People. Oh. Love her curves, love the way she dances. It's like so effortless, but impactful.
Pakawalan mo na ako. Babe, papakawalan na talaga kita. Multo ka na eh. Doon ka na. Doon ka na kay Lord. Babe, papakawalan na talaga kita. Multo ka na eh. Doon ka na. Doon ka na kay Lord. Mahal kita pero doon ka na kay Lord.
Hi! Hello! Welcome to my school!
Honesto, nakita ko yun ha. Pakita yung buo. Help me find them. Ba't mo ka hanapin, B?
Ito namin. Let's go, Sandy! Sandy!
Galing! Nagugulat! Kinakabahan!
Kaya sige hanggang sa na-develop, hanggang sa nakakapanood na siya sa TV.
There are few idols who doesn't care about their idol image. She's that. To be honest, all of these girls are like that.
Yun, nagagaya niya yun. Hanggang sa magaling na siyang sumayaw,
I love that.
마치 너 달콤한 그대의 입술과 눈동자 입술과 눈동자
Why is it like enhypened?
Hi guys, I'm Sheena.
She just loves to be herself.
If I were to be an animal, I would be I would like.
Oh my god, is it why you people are commenting in my comment section like, okay.
To be a rabbit. Thank you.
Bakit daw? Bakit rabbit?
Why not?
Why not?
Ay, hindi sa'yo.
Oh, she is fan of Enhypen. That's so.
Bakit daw? Bakit rabbit?
Why not?
Mayroon kami lahat. Wala. Actually tayo.
That's who's that? Isn't Juang? Ju. Oh my god, who is that? I can't say guys.
Ay, hindi sa'yo. Ay, alam.
At hindi po ako makatayo kasi ginawa niya pong patungan yung paa. Wow! Slayable at 20.
Cause I'm falling slowly in love with you. 오랫동안 기다려. 너는 꿈이야. Cause I'm falling slowly in love with you. 다시 지워진다 해도.
Okay, let's see.
Door Bloom, sana po naligo kayong lahat.
Joke.
Door Bloom, sana po naligo kayong lahat.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I'm sorry if I scared you.
It's me. I'm a solo stan.
Okay.
Self-love person. It's mine! I love me.
Here you go.
It's myself. Choose what is the first letter of the alphabet. Hey!
Hey! Okay, I understood. She's so perfect, handsome. She's so handsome. Loved this. This kind of made me like I thought that I can select the best in this after watching the guide. But unfortunately, this made me more difficult because they have such a great personalities that I really enjoy. I love when people are not scared to show their emotions and stuff and just be who they are and love that. Love that for them. And yeah, if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Bye.